T1B Septic is designed to facilitate maximum waste, odor elimination, and prevent backflow. It's 3-in-1 effective waste degradation formula, designed to effortlessly break down toilet, kitchen, and bathroom waste. Our solution contains magnEfficient microbes and quick-acting enzymes, which helps to eliminate organic sludge and pollutants. T1B Septic is completely free from harmful chemicals and nature-friendly. Let's unite and put an end to the hazardous practice of manual scavenging.